Hey, beautiful friends, welcome. I'm Rebecca, and today we have a practice that is a full body somatic practice. It was a request to do this practice on the mat instead of seated. We're focusing on releasing chronic stress patterns, particularly in those shoulders and the hips. This is an area where we often contract, clench, and hold lots of tension. It's a form of neuromuscular bracing, which contributes to lack of mobility and sustained activation of stress hormones like cortisol. Okay, let's begin, my friends. Try all the different variations to honor your body. Come onto your backside. Okay, just take a moment here. We're just going to gently tap on our chest just to help tap in and change gears. This helps to stimulate your vagus nerve, okay? So vagus nerve is in charge of that rest and digest part of your nervous system. So gentle tapping here, move down, feel the breath, feel the vibration. Feel your body starting to change gears, your nervous system shifting, okay? Okay, friends, now you're going to take your left arm out to the side and you're going to roll and then take it all the way behind you. And then push, reach the arm up and take it all the way back. Right foot into the floor, left arm out to the side. My right leg is pretty wide. I'm going to roll towards that left arm and then sweep it all the way over. And then bring it back nice and slowly. Again, we're going to take that left arm out to the side, push with the right leg, roll towards the left arm. The arm reaches overhead and then all the way out to the side. Then come back, take the arm back and come back down. Left hand reaching, right foot pushing, lengthen, twist. And come back. And then this time we're gonna stay here, okay? Just for a little bit. So watch, we're gonna come and twist, reach the arm back, and then stay here, push into the right hand and gently rock your body weight back and forward. Now, if this is too intense on that left shoulder, bend it, bend the arm. So the arm's either extended like this or like this. And you're rocking your weight back and forward. And if that's still too intense, take the arm up on a diagonal. And again, push it back. Now your head can be on the pillow or in towards the earth. Just transferring the weight forward and back, bringing some attention into that left shoulder, into the front of the chest, transferring the weight back, transferring it forward. Release. Feel that release. Take it back. Take it forward. Feel the release. And last time, take it back. And it's really important. You want to feel this release. Okay, roll onto your belly, friends. Shake your hips from side to side. And take a moment to notice from the left side and to the right side. Okay, push into the earth and wiggle your hips, lift yourself up into a little up dog or swan or cobra. Lift the heart up, friends. And then take it back. Okay, let's go on to the other side. So you can just roll over. I'm gonna come onto my right side body so I don't have my back towards you. And we're gonna do the same thing. So you're gonna come down, that left leg is coming down into the earth, and the right arm comes out to the side. So the left leg is bent, it's wide, okay? It's not too close to the right leg, it's out towards the side. And we're gently gonna roll. Right arm reaches, and you can continue it all the way out to the side, and then slowly come on back, okay? Support yourself as you do this. You can rest your head down or lift it up. Feel that nice. If you feel a little sticky or off, that's okay. Just get into the body, get into the body. All the way back towards center. Again, moving. Take that right arm all the way out to the side. And bring it back, friends. And so if you hold lots of tension and stress in the shoulders, you're going to feel this, okay? Hips are big, shoulders, lots of emotion, stress, tension, anxiety. Just let it pour out of you. Okay, so this time let's come on over, take the arm out and leave it there. And then we're just gonna play with this. Again, rocking the body weight back, and then forward. It's really subtle, so I want you to feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it, and then let it go, okay? Again, engage and release. Now, if you want to, you can stop if this becomes too intense. I recommend playing with your breath, deepening the breath, and bringing your attention upward in your brain. So try to get out of those thoughts that are spiraling and bring your attention right up as if it's moving to the center of your brain and connect to the breath. And then come all the way over and hang out here for a moment, friends, just for a moment. And release. Okay, one more time, roll onto your belly. Let's take the arms up over our head. Sweep the arms behind you. Press your palms together into a fist. Lift your heart up. Open the chest and lower down. Okay, you're gonna slide the left arm out. Come on to back body, friends, and just close your eyes. Flip your palms up towards the sky. Okay, friends, just take a moment. Let everything permeate into your nervous system. Okay, friends, deepen your breath, wiggle your fingers and your toes, stretch open your jaw. Roll over to your right side into a little ball. And then come on up to sit. Okay, friends, bring your hands to your heart and tune into your new energy. Bring it with you into your day. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Namaste, namaste, my beautiful friends. Have a wonderful day. I'm very excited to share with you that I now have an exclusive membership on both YouTube and on Patreon for those of you who need a little extra support on your wellness journey. And I also am thrilled to share with you a free weekly calendar to make your life easier and your practices more regular. If you enjoyed this practice, please comment below Somatic Yoga. Namaste, my beautiful friends.